Question: which one of the following gave the idea of Constituent Assembly for India? A. Simon Commission. B. Rajaji Formula. C. Cabinet Mission Plan. D. Wavell Plan. Correct answer is C. Cabinet Mission Plan. Question: under the Cabinet Mission Plan, the total number of seats allotted to each province in the Constituent Assembly was roughly in the ratio of 1 representative to the population of A. 8 lakh persons, B. 10 lakh persons, C. 11 lakh persons, D. 12 lakh persons. Correct answer is B. 10 lakh persons. Question: which one of the following first mooted the idea of a Constituent Assembly to frame a Constitution for India? A. Swaraj Party in 1935. B. Congress Party in 1936. C. Muslim League in 1942. D. All Parties Conference in 1946. Correct answer is B. Congress Party in 1936. Question: the Constituent Assembly that framed India's constitution was set up A. under the Indian Independence Act, B. under the Government of India Act 1935, C. by the Queen's Proclamation, D. under the Cabinet Mission Plan. Correct answer is D. under the Cabinet Mission Plan. Question: the first session of the Constituent Assembly was held on A. the 16th of August 1947, B. 26th January 1948, C. 9th December 1946, D. 26th November 1946. Correct answer is C. the 9th of December 1946. Question: who among the following was the President of the Indian Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Correct answer is A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: the first President of the Sovereign Constituent Assembly for the Dominion of India was A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Sakchidananda Sinha. Correct answer is C. Rajendra Prasad. Question: which one of the following statements is correct? A. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected by the provincial assemblies in the year 1946. B. Jawaharlal Nehru, M.A. Jinnah and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were members of the Constituent Assembly of India. C. The first session of the Constituent Assembly of India was held in January 1947. D. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1950. Correct answer is A. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected by the provincial assemblies in the year 1946. Question: Sakchidananda Sinha was associated with A. Quit India movement, B. Dandi March, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Quit India movement. Question: Who among the following held the office of Speaker in Central Legislative Assembly of British Era and the Parliament of Free India? A. Sir Abdur Rahim, B. G. V. Mavlinkar, C. Ananath Shayanam Iyengar, D. Vithalbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. G. V. Mavlinkar.